Welcome to your Foodnerd POS dashboard. Instantly start a new order by clicking New Order for quick processing. The New Order screen presents categorized menu items. Quickly select items, streamlining your ordering process efficiently. Easily switch between pickup, eat-in, and delivery modes. This flexibility ensures your system perfectly matches diverse order types. For pickup orders, guest information is optional. You can quickly proceed without customer details, speeding up transactions significantly. To add a guest, a clear input form appears. This organized approach helps you quickly prepare for capturing customer information. Entering customer names triggers smart auto-suggestions, speeding up data entry. You can quickly select an existing customer or input new contact details, ensuring accuracy and saving valuable time. Need a fresh start? Easily clear customer fields. This allows quick input of new details, ensuring accurate records for every guest. Seamlessly enter new customer names and emails. This fast and intuitive process helps you build a comprehensive customer database for personalized service and future engagement, boosting customer loyalty. Simply input the customer's phone number. The system will suggest existing contacts for quick selection, ensuring precise communication and saving time when completing orders. Efficiently add menu items, selecting any available options like cheese for a classic cheeseburger. Then proceed to payment and submit your pickup order with just a few clicks. This streamlines your entire transaction. Dismiss notifications and prepare for the next order. Simply select Eat In to efficiently manage Dine-In transactions. For Dine-In orders, leverage existing customer details with auto-suggestions. This feature saves time by quickly pre-filling guest information, enhancing efficiency and service speed. Assign a table to your Dine-In guests by selecting the floor name and an available table number. This streamlines table management, ensuring organized and smooth service for an enhanced dining experience. Efficiently assign staff to the order and set a ready-in time, such as 30 minutes. This improves internal coordination and helps manage customer expectations, ensuring smooth, timely operations and satisfaction. Easily add various menu items like specialty pizzas and sweet pies, including any required options. This flexible menu handling allows you to process diverse and complex orders quickly and accurately. Finalize your dine-in order with a swift payment process, then submit it to the kitchen. The system confirms successful order placement and unreserves the table, preparing for the next guest seamlessly. Dismiss notifications to clear your workspace. Transition smoothly to delivery orders by clicking the Delivery tab for a new order. For delivery, guest information is mandatory. Provide complete customer name, contact, and precise address details for reliable service. Mandatory delivery fields are highlighted. This ensures accurate order information, preventing errors and guaranteeing smooth logistics. Easily input customer names and emails. The system intelligently suggests existing contacts, dramatically speeding up data entry and maintaining consistent customer records for efficient service. Effortlessly enter phone numbers, benefiting from auto-suggestions. This streamlined input minimizes errors and ensures quick, reliable communication. You can easily add a new number or select from previous entries, making customer contact management highly efficient. Precisely input the customer's delivery address. Accurate address details are crucial for successful deliveries, minimizing delays and ensuring customer satisfaction with your efficient service. Confirm pre-filled city and country details, then save the complete guest information. This ensures a comprehensive delivery profile, enhancing accuracy and delivery logistics for your team. Assign a staff member to the delivery order for clear accountability and tracking. This streamlines your delivery process from preparation to efficient handover. Set the ready-in time and choose the delivery platform. This seamless integration ensures timely preparation and efficient handover to external delivery services, maximizing operational flow. Add desired items and the system automatically calculates delivery charges. Process the payment, then submit the delivery order, completing the transaction quickly and accurately, every time. This ensures full financial tracking and a swift checkout experience for seamless operations. Dismiss final notifications to clear your screen. Our POS system offers streamlined, efficient workflows for all order types, making operations smoother.